The simplest problems are often the hardest to solve. Piles of paper next to the printer for no good reason. That's a problem.
Well, we're a software solution that helps manage printing.
I think there's a lot of software out there that solves problems. I think we're solving a problem that's actually got a higher purpose behind it.
The whole premise of what we do is let's minimize our impact on the environment. Let's reduce the amount of trees that we are cutting down to print.
We're seeing the direction of printing definitely change.
Everybody has a little computer in their pocket now and they want to be able to print from it.
We don't want to eliminate the use of paper because creativity is important, but we want to minimise waste.
It's quite sad to observe how much waste there is out in the world, and often we don't care about how we use our resources.
Our true clients are the trees.
If one student saved one piece of paper per month, that would be saving 1 tree a year.
I think that's part of the reason we're here. It's not about making money, but having an impact.
I think the environment is definitely topical. I think what makes PaperCut magic is that we're actually applying that.